Hey guys, we're posing for a thumbnail. Girl, you gotta stay prepared in these streets. You never know what's gonna happen. Like I can do one where I'm like, I got socks. So I guess we can do one like this, like, or like. I know the hat's sending you. The hat's sending you, isn't it? All right, Sid, we ready? Mm-hmm. Golly. It's so hard to hold.
Foundation. It's gonna be a foundation, not a crawl space.
But that ain't nothing.
Yeah, I think the rafters.
Oh yeah, I'm already. They'll probably win that day. Oh. But I mean, it really depends what kind of service you need. So nobody lives in this property.
It's still chilly.
Now I feel better. Let's go look at this thing. Ain't nobody living in there, that's for sure. I'll make sure it's locked. Oh yeah. Cut his grounds. He got no grounding on the house. Okay. Don't put that in. I don't need to be all checked on the code book from the guy. That's not what the code said. Don't do it. Don't do it. I wish I could get inside to see the panel. Smells no bueno. I mean, this is pretty straightforward. I want to know why nobody lives here anymore. Okay, I'm actually going to stretch my legs for a little bit. My bad. All right, let's see what we got going on at this casita over here. We're getting a new baby crew member. Or the guy you've seen online, Adam. He's out having his first baby. So we're grateful for that. Hopefully everything goes good with baby Fox. And let's go see what these boys are doing. I think we got 2 crews here today. You see Table Rock. What's up, my vatos?
What's up, man?
Oh, I love the view.
Look, looking right here. Oh, he wasn't looking at my butt, was
Kids like this for...
It's working this time.
You actually get some footage. That's my jam, man. I'm surprised y'all got Mexican music going.
I'm gonna start recording the bit was hot. I had to cut down my bit in the trusses. Show Xander, so I'll never do it again.
How's that boat coming on?
Thanks. Picked it up Friday. Yeah, it's still broke. Thanks for the concern.
Too soon. Too soon.
Yeah, he said it was fixed. I went and got it, and it's not fixed. I took it to the lake, and it.
Were you stranded out in the water?
No, I wasn't stranded this time. Looks we had that going for us.
Next summer.
Guess I'm just not supposed to fish right now.
I know those are for dandelions.
Hungry?
I said she'd probably be sick of me because we see each other basically 6 days a week now. Sundays too.
Awesome.
Oh, he did get his boat back.
Hey, it's going back to the
Uh-oh. It's going back?
Never telling you nothing. So he's had it for 7 months. I tried being so patient and everything, and I get that thing, and
We're gonna have to ask the audience at this point on YouTube if they know a different mechanic. Hey, enter in the comments any good boat mechanics around Valdez, please.
If it was Mexican, it had already been fixed one.
Probably,
like
yeah.
6 months ago.
Baby Fox is coming. This is exciting. Take it easy, vatos.
See ya.
If y'all need some just call me, text me. We'll be in the area, but.
Whoa.
That's in condition. Okay. I was like, why the poop did they put the floor down? Why didn't he just? It's all open. He should just.
That was my foot, not a fart.
It's okay. Someone has to fart this week. Adam's not here. Are you starting to understand construction a little more?
Uh-uh.
Let's go see what these boys are doing. What up, Ronnie?
What's happening?
Man, you're up there like a Mexican, bro. Oh my gosh, you just got mud everywhere. About what, 4 inches in there? Well, those are permanently work shoes. Nice. That commentary you gave last week.
Oh
bro.
God.
They loved it.
I
This guy
heard it.
He's the best.
No. Not good footage today.
There's no 4-ways in this house, right, Don?
There'll be. I think there'll be one. Actually, no, you're right. Yeah,
No 4-ways.
no 4-ways.
Camps and
Look at that
all.
Corvette. Hello. Good, how are you?
How you doing?
Bill.
I don't think we met, Bill. I'm Juan. All right, so we're adding a circuit for you.
I'm afraid that if I'm not home, that trips.
Yep.
My freezer's gonna melt.
Shouldn't be bad. Come up that way. By code, they're gonna want it on a GFI, just because it's right next to the sink. Unfortunately, new fridges, new freezers are very notorious for, since they're so efficient, those motors will trip the GFCI just because of trickle voltage. Okay. Do you mind if I just take a look at the panel?
Yeah, sure, it's downstairs.
Yeah, let me just take a picture of it, see whatever breakers I need. It's been a minute. Everything going good though?
Yeah, everything's good. You guys did a good job. So, I mean, there's plenty of room in the panels behind this frame if you want to take that down.
No, you're fine. Yep, not too bad. I just wanted to make sure it's not too much of wire. We might, if I can't fish it, we might have a little bit of drywall damage on the top. But I can try my best to get a fish stick in there and
Okay.
get up there.
I have confidence in you. I think you can do it.
If not, I'll tell you, this whole wall's coming down. Is there anything else you needed while they were here, or is that just it?
No, that should do it.
All right, Bill. If you need anything else, if you think of anything else, just give me a call. Okay?
Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
All right, no problem. Talk to you soon. Let's see what these boys are doing. All right, you're doing good. Killing it.
I meant to grab a bit from the shop this morning. I didn't know. I was sitting there, y'all was coming back. I might have asked y'all, but you gotta. I mean, you gotta have something entertaining on there.
Yeah. I don't want to just see
Can't. No.
wiring.
It's like that right there. There might be a hate comment about that. You're ruining your linemen. 100% sure. Yeah, the panel's back there. It's back there in that back corner right there.
Yep. So doing 4 cans in here too, Lane?
How's it going, Jenny?
It's good. How about you?
Pretty good.
That's good.
Hey. Like, and then you want me to tip you $5? No.
What is that? You know what I mean? Like,
sure I'm made on this house one. Sydney. I'm already this far, not back up.
What's going on?
You are Big Daddy.
Uh-oh. I meant to tell you yesterday, this is the part right here to record. The day is everywhere. I know his little rooms look like they got a bunch of outlets, but they were on the plan.
My little area. Show them how to overfill a box.
There you go.
Up here you got plenty of light, but you won't have nothing from there all the way to there shining out. If you don't worry about it. But if you get everything else done, go ahead and roll you another one right there. Yeah, the front already. Right here should be more than enough. This little pull here.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, you good?
Yes, sir.
Alright then, just keep. You been doing your folder on this job?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Good deal.
What's up?
How's it going?
It's going.
Going.
That's about the only word I got for this one. I found it.
You found it?
Not where I wanted to find it.
Where's it at?
Through the ceiling. Inside the bathroom. Missing Adam yet? No comment. Might as well go ahead and take all the sheetrock down because I done put a hole through the one in the bathroom. Oh, jeez. From the switch, put a 3-gang switch box up right here at 47, and then run me 614.2 from here to the panel. A better picture for Facebook, you can post that. Well, okay, so.
What happened there?
Alright, well, I can explain. So I have to get the wire through, but I can't go up, and I can't go through there, so I tried going through there, and there really ain't a stud there no more. And I ruined Greg's bit, and now he's mad at me. It's okay. Come on, camera.
Camera?
Tell you what happens on Lane's job. This is what keeps this business going here.
I'm guessing that wasn't supposed to happen.
Sorry, I have a boring part in here.
No, it's fine.
I have to call Daddy Greg. Come help out. What do you think about this driveway getting up in here? It's terrible.
It's something else.
I hate it. My traction control starts spinning every time. It's like, woof, woof. We're bad out of wire, ain't we, boy?
Yeah, we are. We have to get it from right here to over there where all those other wires are hanging down.
Yeah.
But there's nothing that we can drill through to get over there. Who knows?
This was all uncovered at one point in time. And they had, you know, who come back and cover it. Give me a 3-wire from this switch up to just up to the peak. Just go through right here and staple it up. Staple up this side. Staple it up to the peak. I gotta build a box.
That peak right there, or that?
The only peak in the whole entire house.
I have it like, yeah, I got you.
You got it.
What do you edit the YouTube videos?
CapCut. Have a good one.
Oh my gosh. Can't get away from the camera. I get work done and you show up.
You can still work while I'm here.
I can't. It's impossible. If we don't get a lift out anymore, we're not gonna get
Dear God. Today and today neither.
The drama.
Huh?
The drama.
What are you doing?
You know.
Not enough sawdust for today.